What's up? Welcome back. My name. Today we're going to be learning about if hearing aids are expensive or not. So these are my hearing aids. These are Oticon, no, not Safari. Oticon something. Sorry, I used to have the Safari ones. Okay. They're the Oticon Sensei Pro. They are old, so I do know that there's better ones out on the market. Literally, I don't know if you can see this, but it broke. Like the mold, the tubing is sticking into my ear. And yes, that is earwax. So the question is hearing aids expensive? Yes, they are. And are they worth it? Since there's a lot of other brands are cheaper. One of my family members has the cheaper ones, and I just don't even know if they're worth it because they break. You can hear feedback, but they're around like $5,000 to $10,000. I guess it's so expensive.